Yo, what's good, guys? It's Doja Trades back at it with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be going over the trade that I took on March 24th, 2026. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I did was I went to the 4-hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, I obviously first marked out my previous sessions, London Nation and pre-market and market open. I marked out the session highs and lows, the 4-hour highs and lows, and the 1 hour highs and lows. So what I did here was I went to the 4-hour time frame because the 4-hour time frame holds higher power, right? So what I did here was I marked out the highs and lows, and then I went down to the 1 hour time frame, and I saw that yes, we did sweep this high, but price was coming down and taking out this low, which is kind of our only draw, like good draw on liquidity to the downside, because as you can tell, we have this huge candlestick that we had yesterday at 7, and there's really just only not that many draws to the downside, and there was more draws to the upside, which obviously I saw. I saw that this was our most recent liquidity sweep, a sweep of Asian lows, so I was overall bullish for the day and I wanted to see longs. So what I did here was, after taking out these, market open, we swept these during market open, so I was like, okay, I think we're going to reverse off of these. We saw that we had this gap right here. I saw that we inversed this gap, and then I saw us form a fair value gap right here. Once price came down and retraced into this fair value gap, we were kind of just really chopping around. I went down to the 1 minute time frame and I waited for a change in order flow. It took a long time to get a change in order flow because we were just chopping. But I saw that we had a inverse fair value gap right here, so I entered long right here. I set stops underneath the second low, and then um, I set take profits 1 right here, and then take profits 2 at these highs. We ended up hitting TP1 and then stops at break even, just getting stopped at break even, which it's totally fine. Still a good day, good trade. I'm overall happy with this trade. It was a perfect setup. It was my strategy to a T, and yeah, it was just price was just low key, just kind of choppy today, but still took the trade because my strategy presented itself, and I have high probability in these markets. So yeah, this was a trade I took on Tuesday, March 24th to 2026. It was a great trade. I'm very happy with it. I'm very proud of it. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.